HSBG is an organization which was founded about 3-4 years ago, and it was designed to fill a need that hadn't been filled before that point, which is students of economics, business, finance, management didn't really have a place to go. There weren't any organizations for us to go to. And we formed this to have kind of a meeting ground for people with not the same ideas, but a similar interest. And when we get together, we discuss all aspects of those majors, whether it be finance, economics. Sometimes we talk about the state of the economy or minimum wage. Sometimes we talk about networking and internships. Sometimes we talk about the local business situation. We have guest speakers. We do meet the faculty events. We have little luncheons. Just a variety of different events. And we also have a stock market competition, which is the big draw. And it's basically just to bring people who have the same interest but with a diversity of thought together, and that way we kind of bounce our ideas off each other, and I think it makes us all richer for the experience and a little bit more intelligent, because even if I don't agree with something someone else is saying, I learn why they came to that viewpoint, and then it either changes me, my perspective, or it strengthens my position. So either way, you take something. Well, when I was little, I always wanted to be president, and as I grew older, that job became less attractive. And my parents and a lot of my friends always said I'd be a natural businessman, because I was always pretty good with money. Your parents give you like $10 for allowance, and they would give me that money every week, but little did they know I had just stacks of money stashed away under the bed. And I would trade milk cartons. I had a little racket going in the lunchroom where I would trade milk, because I didn't drink milk very much, and I would get all these snacks and I just hoard them in my locker, and when you wanted a snack, you came to me. And so they said you should be a businessman, and as I looked at it, I just became more and more attracted to it, because businessmen really do influence the world in a way that politicians and other folks can't, because the world keeps moving because of businessmen. And with the good choices or the bad choices, we can affect the world in a positive or negative way. And I thought I could throw my hat in with people that want to make a positive change in the world and still, run a good business. And it's something where it's very tangible. When you run a business or when you're in a business, your results are directly manifested in the business. If I'm doing a good job, the other folks that work under me or with me are happy about that, and they work harder too. And then you can see that, whether production levels are up or the costs are down or whatever, you see that it translates directly into what's happening. And that was something that really drew me, because I like seeing the results of my work, and that just fascinated me. And also I like wearing suits.